Hi, my name is Nancy Nguyen, and I wanted to focus on the aviation industry, specifically how workplace stress affects pilots and human error. Human computer interactions focus on the relationship between humans or users and the technology that they use. This is especially important in the aviation field because pilots use systems all the time to fly different types of aircraft. Without computer systems, pilots would not be able to do what they do best: flying. Aircrafts heavily rely on computers. However, if the computers are counterintuitive or too complex for a pilot to understand, it can create unnecessary bad stress for the pilot. You may ask, why is it important to know the effects that stress has on pilots? Well, the more stress that a pilot is undergoing, the more likely they are to make human errors, such as skipping required procedures or failing to detect an imminent threat. Stress can also reduce situational awareness. This poses a safety risk for both the flight crew and the passengers. In the aviation industry, stress is caused by long working hours, the pressures of making sure one's passengers arrive at their destination safely, separation from family, and more. Let's say that Bob, who is a pilot, is stressed out by the fact that he has to safely transport his crew and his passengers overseas. The computer system in the aircraft is too complicated for him to understand, and he lacks support from his coworkers and superiors. Because he is so busy focusing on other things, he fails to take care of his own health and is both emotionally and physically exhausted before an international flight. His exhaustion causes him to continue descending the aircraft at a rapid rate before he or anyone else could clear their ears. This causes his eardrums to rupture. While this is an extreme example, it can happen, which is why there's so many regulations in the aviation industry. It is important to provide support and care for our pilots, as well as develop efficient computer systems to ensure the well being of our pilots and their passengers. Here are my references. Thanks for watching!